Hi students, I hope you are fine and healthy at your home. Now we are going to start new chapter which name is Work, Energy and Power. In this video we will see about definition of work, energy and power. Work. Work is said to be done by a force when the force produces displacement of the body on which it acts in any direction except perpendicular to the direction of force. Work is said to be done when a force produces displacement, or we can write as W equal to F into D. That means F means force and D means displacement. W equal to Fs cos theta. It is a scalar quantity. Largely we will study next video. Energy. The efficiency of work done of a body is called energy. The efficiency of work done of a body is called energy. We have a many type of energy. First is mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy. The unit of energy is joule and the dimension formula is ml square T minus 2. Now we'll discuss about power. Power we have studied earlier classes. The rate of doing work is defined as power. The SI unit of power is watt, and power is represented by a capital P. P equal to W upon T. W means work and T means time. Now we will see that types of work. There are three types of normally work is there: positive work, negative work and zero work. Work are always dependent on force and displacement angle. When the angle between force and displacement is zero, or we can say this is acute angle, then work is positive. When the angle between force and displacement is zero, then work is set as a positive. For example, a body falling freely under gravity. When body fall freely under gravity, then this work is known as a positive because it will work positively. But when we talk about negative work, when the angle between force and displacement is 180 degree, 180 means obtuse angle, then the work is negative. Like we can say W equal to Fs cos theta, we know that if cos 180 we know that minus 1, so Fs only will be there. Here we will say W equal to Fs cos theta, theta will be here 90 acute, so 90 means 1, Fs will be there, positive work then sorry, it is not obtuse means work done by the cos theta. I was saying that Fs, W equal to Fs cos theta, theta will be 0, then cos 0 equal to 1, then W equal to Fs only will be there. That means if body fall freely under gravity, then positive work done. When we talk about this angle between force and displacement is 180 degree or obtuse, then it is said to be negative work. Cos 180 equal to minus 1, so that will be minus. Afterwards we will talk about zero work. When the work done, if the force applied is perpendicular to its displacement, perpendicular means 90 degree, then W equal to Fs cos 90. Cos 90 is we know that 0. So this is our positive, negative and zero work. Work is force into displacement depended on the angle between force and displacement. If the angle is acute, then work is positive. When the angle is obtuse, then it is negative. If the force applied is perpendicular, then it will be zero work. Thank you. You can try solve another questions. Now we will see that what is 1 joule and what is 1 erg. Joule and erg are both a unit of work, CGS and SI unit. 1 joule. when a force 1 Newton is applied on a body and it is displaced by 1 meter in the direction of force, then it is known as a 1 joule. It is SI unit. And when a force of 1 dyne applied on a body, it is displaced by 1 centimeter in the direction of force, then it is known as a 1 erg. Erg is a CGS unit of force and dyne, joule is a SI unit of work. So that is 1 joule and 1 erg. Try to solve, remember another questions related to the work. Thank you.